High energy costs can hit the family budget hard. Costs you can reduce. We help you lower your energy costs and save on heating bills. With the right tips and tricks, such as checking the water in your heating system, the life expectancy of your equipment can be extended. We provide advice to private households and companies on how to avoid water contamination and ensure your water meets the correct quality standards. We also test your drinking water and can make it softer using special procedures. Our equipment is small and compact and fits every home and every budget. We can put solar power in your sockets and install solar energy systems for your every need. Whatever the weather outside, we can get just the right temperature inside your home in an environmentally friendly manner.